Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an innovative concept car from Volvo, the Volvo YCC, also known as your concept car. This unique vehicle was unveiled at the 2004 Geneva Motor Show and was designed with a particular focus on the needs and preferences of female drivers. The YCC is a remarkable example of how user-centered design can create groundbreaking solutions in the automotive industry. Volvo made a bold move by assembling an all-women design team in October 2001 to bring this visionary car to life. The team included talented designers and engineers such as Maria Widell Christensen, Eva-Lisa Anderson, Elna Holmberg, Maria Ugla, Camilla Palmertz, Cynthia Charwick, Anna Rosane, Lena Ikelin, and Tatiana Budovic, Tem. This diverse group brought their unique perspectives and expertise to create a car that truly caters to the needs of female drivers. Let's start by talking about the exterior of the Volvo YCC. At first glance, the car appears to be a mildly futuristic four-seat coupe. However, a closer look reveals some unique and thoughtful features. One of the most notable aspects is the absence of a traditional hood. That's right, there's no hood to open for engine access. Instead, the entire front end of the car must be removed for engine maintenance. This design choice was made to simplify the car's maintenance process and reduce the frequency of engine servicing. The engine is designed to need an oil change only after 31,000 miles and can automatically notify a garage shortly before any required maintenance. This feature ensures that drivers don't have to worry about routine engine checks and can enjoy a hassle-free driving experience. Another innovative feature of the Volvo YCC is the capless ball valves for the windshield washer and gas tanks. Volvo's research found that many female drivers considered traditional caps to be inconvenient and cumbersome. By replacing them with capless ball valves, Volvo has made refueling and topping up the windshield washer fluid much more straightforward and user-friendly. This small but significant change demonstrates how the design team paid attention to the details that matter to drivers. The YCC also comes equipped with run-flat tires, similar to those used on armored vehicles. These tires allow the car to be driven to a garage even after a puncture, eliminating the need to change a tire by the roadside. This feature enhances safety and convenience, giving drivers peace of mind knowing they won't be stranded if they experience a flat tire. Now, let's talk about the car's entry system. The Volvo YCC features motorized gull-wing doors on the sides, making it a three-door, four-seat coupe design. The doors operate on a sensor-based keyless entry system, which is incredibly convenient. Pressing a single button on the keychain automatically opens the nearest door, allowing easy access to the car without the need to fumble with keys. This feature is especially useful for someone carrying bags of groceries or other items, as it eliminates the need to set anything down to open the door. The upward opening hatchback door provides access to the trunk and cargo area, making it easy to load and unload items. The motorized doors and keyless entry system reflect the YCC's focus on convenience and ease of use, ensuring that drivers can effortlessly get in and out of the car. Inside the Volvo YCC, the design prioritizes both functionality and aesthetics. The interior is all about convenience, customization, and creating a pleasant driving experience. One of the standout features is the easy-to-remove textile panels and seat pads. These elements can be quickly swapped out to change the color schemes and vary textures, allowing drivers to personalize the interior according to their preferences. This level of customization is a testament to the thoughtful design process that went into creating the YCC. The headrests in the YCC have indentations specifically designed to accommodate ponytails, addressing a common inconvenience for many female drivers. This feature ensures that drivers with longer hair can sit comfortably without their hairstyles getting in the way. It's a small but significant detail that showcases the design team's commitment to creating a car that truly meets the needs of its users. To further enhance convenience, the shifting column and handbrake have been removed from the center console. This change frees up space and allows for easier access to the large storage compartments located within the dashboard. These storage compartments provide ample space for personal items, making it easy to keep the car organized and clutter-free. The rear seat of the YCC can be folded up, providing extra space for larger items without the need to open the hatchback. This feature is particularly useful for drivers who need to transport bulky items but don't want to go through the hassle of unloading and reloading the trunk. The versatility of the interior layout makes the YCC a practical choice for various driving needs. The exterior of the Volvo YCC is not only stylish, but also durable. The bumpers and body cladding are made from tough, dent-resistant materials, ensuring that the car can withstand minor impacts and remain in good condition. This durability is complemented by the car's sleek and modern design, making it a visually appealing choice for drivers who value both form and function. Under the hood, the Volvo YCC is powered by a 5-cylinder hybrid engine that produces 215 horsepower. This powerful yet economical engine delivers impressive performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. The hybrid technology reflects Volvo's commitment to sustainability and reducing the environmental impact of its vehicles. The Volvo YCC is more than just a concept car. It's a testament to what can be achieved when design is driven by a deep understanding of the user's needs. By focusing on the preferences of female drivers, Volvo has created a car that is not only practical and user-friendly, but also stylish and innovative. The YCC showcases the potential for user-centered design to revolutionize the automotive industry and set new standards for future vehicles. If you enjoyed learning about the Volvo YCC and its unique features, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into automotive innovations. We're excited to bring you more in-depth looks at groundbreaking vehicles and the design processes behind them. Your support helps us continue to explore and share the latest in automotive technology and design. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Volvo YCC. Would you like to see more cars designed with specific user groups in mind? What features do you think should be included in future concept cars? We love hearing your feedback and suggestions, so let us know what you think.